In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to configure the replacement of a total station in the monitoring system and how to carry out the reorientation of the newly connected station. First, you connect to the Settop M1 device via istconnect.com using the access details that you have registered previously. Once the total station linked to the monitoring system has been changed, you can see in the video section if the orientation of the targets is aligned correctly or not. With the monitoring process started, you can see that the measure angles have moved and no longer show the desired precision of the reference angles. You pause the monitoring process and click on Reference Circle. The Reset Reference Circle function allows you to reset the angles of the targets. First, you select the reference target that you want to adjust. Then you adjust the faces of the target manually by using the video function. In the video section, with autolock activated, the green crosshair will indicate that the target is now locked. Then you return to Recircle. Now, in the Reset Reference Circle, with the target selected, you click Measure. The measuring process indicates that there is an additional offset. This offset will cause all the angles that you have loaded in the reference points to move to the center of the target. You can see that the offset, both in the station and the M1, is 0. When you click Apply, the internal offset of the station is set. Now you can begin measuring by clicking Start. When you start monitoring, the scheduled parameters previously configured do not have to be changed, as everything is the same as with the original total station. In this tutorial, you have looked at how to carry out a change of total station and reorientation, in case you need to change the device you were using at the start of the project.